Good evening, Commissioner. We have urgent news to tell you related to the Ana Garcia case that we think will provide a breakthrough. Just to quickly jog your mind on the case, Ana Garcia is a 20-year-old college student who is 5'6", 135 pounds, and who worked part-time at the Gentry Life Science Building, which is where her body was found by Taylor Diaz.
Ana Garcia's timeline recently shows us that Dominique Hall has been sending threatening text messages 2 days prior to Ana Garcia's death over scholarship which Ana had received 3 days before. Sam Green and Ana Garcia had also gotten into a fight at soccer practice 24 hours before her death. Eric Piedmont had sent Ana Garcia multiple texts 2 days prior to her death, which she ignored. Garcia was preparing for labs at the Gentry Life Science Building 14 hours before she was found.
Ana's body was found at the Gentry Life Science Building at 10 a.m. on August 3, 2012, and officials had arrived to secure the scene by 10:10 a.m. The scene had multiple blood pool sites, test tubes, hair samples, Ana's phone, various papers, blood, maggots, and a threatening note which read, "See you later."
The persons of interest are Eric Piedmont, Ana Garcia's boyfriend, Sam Green, Ana's soccer teammate, Dominique Hall, a classmate, Dr. Elise Opal, Ana's professor and advisor, as well as Taylor Diaz, Ana's friend, classmate, and the one who found her body.
A polygraph test was conducted over all of these persons of interest. The notable findings were that Eric Piedmont lied about the questions on if he got along well with Ana, about the last time he saw her, and if he had killed Ana Garcia. We believe he lied on those because of his high breath rates, which rose considerably from the baseline tests.
Dominique Hall lied on question 2, if she got along well with Ana, which is shown from her low respiration rates. The physical evidence we found matches with the polygraph results, especially for Eric Piedmont, whose fingerprints were found at the scene. Because of this, our top persons of interest are Eric Piedmont, since he lied on most of the polygraph questions, and we found his hair sample and DNA at the crime scene.
The digital evidence mentioned above reveals that Ana Garcia was directly ignoring Eric Piedmont's text. This was found questionable due to their lunch date 23 hours before her death. Further, all of the red substances found at the crime scene were all blood. All of the blood belonged to an A blood type, which means that it either matched Ana Garcia, Eric Piedmont, or Dominique Hall.
The blood spatter that we found near Ana's body indicated that it was all drip or passive stains, meaning that no force was applied to create the blood found at the scene. All blood found at the crime scene belonged to Ana Garcia, matching her DNA. The DNA in the hair samples matched Eric Piedmont.
Ana Garcia's fingerprints were found on the test tube latch, which makes sense it was due to her preparing for a lab, and Eric Piedmont's fingerprints were found on the threatening note. This distinction can be made from the different fingerprint types.
Based on our evidence, we think that Ana Garcia's death was caused by a homicide at the hands of Eric Piedmont, due to all the physical evidence that matches Eric Piedmont, like his hair samples, DNA evidence, and the digital situation with him and Ana prior to his death, as long as his polygraph results.
What's still unknown about the case is what occurred on Ana and Eric's lunch date, and what caused Ana to ignore Eric. We don't know what Ana's cause of death was, if it was done through an outside substance, through strangling, or some other cause not force-related. Commissioner, we think it's important to tell you that Eric Piedmont is likely involved in Ana Garcia's death.